Elon Musk has claimed that he will be the first to reach Mars in 1 month with his SpaceX rocket, set to launch tomorrow. He said with the new technology, he will be able to travel even faster than any other human being has ever gone.
Dr. Ford, Elon is planning to launch today and will be on Mars in a month.
But
you haven't done anything. I have no idea what you have been doing, and you have been wasting our time.
Well,
You can just get things and leave. Your employment has been terminated effective immediately. Now get out.
With a successful launch, Elon is well on his way to Mars. The goal is to land
Fiona,
where a
can
previous
you just turn that
unmanned
off,
rocket was sent
please?
with supplies to start a camp.
Why don't you have a break? Let's just go out somewhere.
Of course, my dear. Where would you like to go?
Dinner somewhere?
Sure. Come here. I did it.
This is amazing! You are amazing!
Let's go to dinner.
So what are you going to do now?
I'm going to get Elon Musk to stand up and take notice of me. It won't be easy as there's so many variables. I need a spacesuit from somewhere. And then I'm just going to put it on. And then I'm going to go to Mars and do a dance. And I will show Elon that I am the greatest. Oh, hey, Elon. I've got a problem.